Hello students, welcome to topuseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss 10th class state syllabus trigonometry chapter in that exercise 11.3 problems. Now let us solve some of the problems in this exercise. Here is the first one, that is evaluate tan 36 divided by cot 54. Here in the previous video, we have seen some of the examples based on this exercise. According to that, now let us solve these problems. And now here tan 36 divided by cot 54. We already know that tan A equals to cot 90 minus A. And now here tan 36 we have tan 36 equals to cot 90 minus 36. Cot 90 minus 36 is nothing but cot 54. And now tan 36 equals to cot 54. In place of tan 36, let us keep cot 54. Now tan 36 divided by cot 54 equals to cot 54 by cot 54. Both get cancelled and the answer is 1. And this is the first one. Let us see second one, that is cos 12 minus sin 78. And now in this sin 90 minus 12 is nothing but sin 78. We already know that cos 12, that is cos x, can be written as sin 90 minus x. And now sin 90 minus 12 minus sin 78. Here sin 90 minus 12 is nothing but sin 78. That is sin 78 minus sin 78 is equals to 1. And this is the second one. Sorry, here is 0 because this both get cancelled. And this is the second one. Now let us see the third one, that is here cosecant 31 minus secant 59. Now here cosecant 31 can be written as secant 90 minus 31. Therefore cosecant 31 is equals to secant 90 minus 31 is nothing but 59. And now cosecant 31 minus secant 59 is equals to secant 59 minus secant 59. And these both are cancelled and we will get answer is 0. And this is the third one. Let us see fourth one, that is sin 15 and secant 75. Now here in this, let us take sin 15 is equals to 1 by cosecant 15. And this cosecant 15 can be written as secant 90 minus 15. That is secant 75. Sin 15 is nothing but 1 by secant 75. Here, now let us substitute here. That is sin 15 is 1 by secant 75. And here already into secant 75. These both get cancelled and the answer is 1. That is sin 15 into secant 75 is 1. Now let us see next one, that is tan 26 into tan 64. Here tan 26 can be written as cot 90 minus 26. Cot 90 minus 26 is nothing but cot 64. And now let us substitute this cot 64 in tan 26. That is cot 64 into tan 26. Sorry, 64. Here cot 64 into tan 64 is nothing but 1, because cot is multiplicative inverse of tan. So cot A into tan A is equals to 1. So the answer for tan 26 tan 64 is 1. And this is the first question. And now let us see the second one. Here is the second question, that is, show that tan 48, tan 16, tan 42 and tan 74 is equals to 1. Now let us take here LHS, that is tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. And now tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. Here in this tan 48, tan 16 can be written as cot 90 minus 16. And here into tan 42 into tan 74. And now this tan 42 again let us change into cot. Now tan 48 into cot 90 minus 16 into cot 90 minus 42 into tan 74. So now tan 48 into this cot 90 minus 42 is nothing but cot 48. And again cot 90 minus 16 is nothing but cot 74 into tan 74. And the value of tan 48 and cot 48 is 1. And again cot 74 into tan 74 is 1. So finally the value is 1. Therefore we proved that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equals to 1. Now let us see the next one, that is cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54. Now let us change them. Now cos 36 into cos 54 can be written as sin 90 minus 54. And here sin 36 as it is, and sin 54 can be written as cos 90 minus 54. In this cos 36 into sin 36 minus sin 36 into cos 36. 90 minus 54 is nothing but 36. And here both are same. So cos 36 into sin 36 minus sin 36 into cos 36 is 0. And the finally answer is 0. And this is about the second question. Now let us see the third question. Here if tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, and find the value of a. Here given tan 2a is equals to cot of a minus 18. Here since both 90 minus 2a and a minus 18. Here tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a, that equals to cot a minus 18. Here these both are having cot, and now given that both are acute angles, so two triangles are acute angles, so these both are equal, that is cot 90 minus 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. Now we will get 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. because both are acute angles here. And from that 90 plus 18 equals to 3a, and 3a equals to 108, a equals to 108 by 3, that is 36 degrees, and the value of a is 36 degrees. And this is about the third question, and the problems given in the exercise is as already done in the previous examples. Those are the same models. I will give the link in the description once you check it and see them. And now let us solve the fourth problem. Here, if tan A is equals to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Here given tan A equals to cot B, and this tan A can be written as same, and now this cot B can be written as tan 90 minus A. Sorry, here B. This cot B can be written as tan 90 minus B. Here we have both tan, and now since here this 90 minus B and A both are acute angles, so thus two are equal. That is, we can write it as A equals to 90 minus B, and from this B taken to the LHS, so A plus B equals to 90 degrees, and hence it is proved that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. And this is about the fourth problem. Now let us see the fifth one. Here is, that is, if A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Here they have given that A, B and C are interior angles. In a triangle we know that all the angles are equals to 180 degrees. That is, A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Let it put as equation 1. Now equation 1 is divided with 2. That is, A plus B plus C by 2 equals to 180 by 2. Then we will get A by 2. Let us separate them. Plus B plus C by 2 equals to 90. And now this again separated, we will get A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals to 90, and from this A plus B by 2 equals to this C by 2 taken to the RHS side, then we will get 90 minus C by 2. Now let us take tan in both LHS and RHS, that is tan of A plus B by 2 equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Here tan 90 minus A is nothing but cot A, and from this we will get tan A plus B by 2 equals to cot of C by 2, and hence we solve this, and this is about the fifth problem. Now let us see the sixth one, and here is the sixth one, that is express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles in between 0 and 45. And here given sin 75 and cos 65. Now this sin 75 can be written as cos of 90 minus 75, that equals to cos 15. And similarly, cos 65 can be written as sine of 90 minus 65, that is sine 25. And now we will get sine 75 plus cos 65 is equals to cos 15 plus sine 25. And this is about the sixth question. And these are the some of the problems in exercise 3. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.